and this is Chris.
Hi.
We're from Keto Chow, and today we have a frequently asked question. Do we have a satisfaction guarantee?
Yeah, and also like what's our return policy? So if you go on our website, boom, and you go to, hey, FAQ, what's our return policy? So the short version of it is we want you to be happy with Keto Chow.
Yep.
We love it. We think you're going to love it too. If for whatever reason you're not, please contact us. That's the too long didn't read version of it. We do returns and store credit on unopened packages within 30 days of the ship date. If you receive a shipment and you just don't want it anymore and it's unopened, it's actually really easy to get it back to us. But contact us. Our customer service team will help
you through it.
If the flavor is something you just don't like, contact us. If you decide you just don't want the Keto Chow from your order, contact us, and we do authorize all refunds as store credit on your account once we receive and check the return product. And the replacement policy is, hey, if you get something and it's like damaged, please contact.
We will fix it for you.
Yep. So yeah, that's about it. We do have a satisfaction guarantee and a return policy. If you have any problems, you have any questions, contact our team.
Also, our team is really good at support. If you have problems with mixing, if it ends up being too salty, if it's clumpy for any reason, and you just are having a difficult time, please reach out and we will walk you through mixing.
Yes, and that's a really good point. A lot of times when people don't like Keto Chow, it's because they might not have mixed it up right, like not enough water or too much water or something like that. And our customer service team, which is staffed by real, live, actual human beings.
And they do keto, and they have used Keto Chow.
And they answer the phone. But a lot of times the easiest way to get a hold of them is if you just find your order email, and reply to that. That'll get you right into them.
They're pretty quick too.
Yeah, unless it's a holiday.
And then they'll be there the next day.
Yes, they will. Anyway, that's what we wanted to talk about today.
Everybody have a great day. Bye.